Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics. And here we make data simple, practical, and powerful. So whether you're just starting your analytics journey or leveling up your skill, everything I teach here is actionable, clear, and also designed to help you master your key. So in this tutorial, I want to share something super important for everyone, for anyone that is starting a data analytics journey. So before you dive into SQL, Power BI, or Looker Studio, or any other tools, let's talk about why Excel is still the foundation for every data analytics. I want to tell you why Excel is important in everything. As you are starting your data analysis journey, I would like to share how Excel is the most important thing that you need to master first before you start learning the other tools. So now here is the thing: many beginners rush into advanced tools and skip Excel, which is I even find it very impossible for you as a data analyst. You cannot even skip it. It's not possible. But do you know that most companies still rely heavily on Excel? Yes, I can tell you, I am 95% sure of this, that most companies that you see that in their job description, you will see SQL, you will see Python, you will see this, you will see that. By the time you start with them, you will realize that it's only Excel that you are using, that they are using, and you find yourself not good enough, yet you have not mastered your SQL. Most of them use Excel for their reporting and analysis, and let me show you why now. And I'm going to show you why Excel should be your starting point. I will tell you the three points why Microsoft Excel should be your starting point. And I'm going to starting with this, or the first point is Excel is a universal tool. Excel is everywhere, from entry level analyst to senior executive. No matter the industry or role, everyone uses Excel in some way. It's like the common language of business, like it's the common tools that most companies use, and every role is the common tools that they use. So it is universal. It's a universal tool. And number two is for quick analysis. The reason why Excel should be your starting point is because and the reason why most companies use Excel is because for quick analysis. With pivot table and formula, you can analyze your data in minutes. No, there is no coding required. There is no way that you are dragging and dropping. You are already covering insight. So with your pivot table, with your formula, with your chart, you can analyze your or data and give insight to it in minutes. And the third point that I'm about to share is foundation for BI2. Yes, Excel. The number one thing here is that if you understand Excel very well, if you understand that you master your Excel, let me tell you that learning Power BI or other skill becomes so much easier, because those two actually build on the same concept. With Excel, they build on the same concept, both tables, formula, chart, and calculation. So Excel is the foundation because every other tools build on it. And the fourth point is versatility across industry. Whether it is finance, tracking, budget, HR, monitoring, or anything you want to analyze, marketing, supply chain, or Excel works everywhere. Every department runs on it. Every department uses Excel in across all industry. And the last point that I'm going to share is employers value it. Yes, forget about you are seeing SQL, you are seeing every other thing there as a data analyst. By the time you get to the company, you will realize that the most valuable tools there is Excel. So when you don't when you are trying to apply for a job, you check the job description, you see that most of companies say strong Excel skill, because that's the only thing they use. Strong Excel skill are still one of the most requested skill for data role. So mastering Excel makes you makes you job ready faster. So if you are just starting your data career, here's the golden rule that I'm going to tell you. Master Excel first. Master Microsoft Excel first. So I would love to hear from you that what's one Excel skill that you want to master this year. Drop your comment. If you have any question on Excel, you want to learn some things in Excel, you can check other videos on Excel in our or in this channel. Just explore the channel, explore the video, and you see different tutorial on Microsoft Excel. Let's keep learning, let's keep growing, and let's keep striving for excellence. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, make sure you put on your notification too. Bye.